Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. This is the component I have created in NX. The same component we are going to recreate it using NX. These are the steps I have followed to create this component. In this tutorial, we will learn step by step how to create this component in NX. First go to the file, new, choose model. Our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter. Specify the model name, specify the location where you want to save OK. Now, first we will start with this base plate. For that, go to the sketch. I'm just taking the top plane, save OK. First take the rectangle, just create the rectangle, press the roller to confirm. The total length of the plate is 150 and width is 40. This one is 150, say yes, press the roller to confirm. This width is 40, press the roller to confirm. Now make this as a symmetric one. This point and this point, make this two symmetric, just apply it. Similarly to this point and this point. This line you make it like this, just OK. Now see, the sketch is fully defined. Then go for the finish sketch, extrude, make it symmetric value. Thickness of this plate is 12 mm, 12, save OK. Now we have created this base plate. Then we will create this rectangular plate which is 30 mm away from this edge, and the total height of this plate is 80 mm from the bottom. Now we will create this one. For that, create a datum plane from this point to here, which is 30. Just make this plane bigger, save OK. Now we need to create a plane here, object here. For that, go to the sketch, choose the plane, newly created plane, save OK. Just hide this plane, zoom it, take this rectangle, just create a rectangle and take a line, just create one center line, press the roller to confirm, specify this dimension, just make this as a construction line. Now this width is, total length is 40, this side 5 mm, that side 5 mm, 10 will go, total width is 30 mm, this distance is 30, this height is from here to bottom, height is 80, press the roller to confirm, make this as a symmetric to this axis, this point and to this axis, say yes, and this distance is 5 mm. Just finish the sketch, then go for the extrude, change the direction of extrude is inside to the object, unite, thickness of the plate is 10 mm, save OK. Now we have created this plate, then we will create this cylinder. For that, go to the sketch, select the surface, save OK. First create one center line, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller, specify any dimension, make this as a construction line, take a circle, just create a circle, the circle with diameter is 30 mm, press enter. Now here you can see this center point and this line is a coincident. Now we have defined the circle, then finish the sketch, then go for extrude. This side is 10 mm, just apply it and select this edge again, change the direction. This side is 50 mm. Just save OK. Now we have created this object. Then we'll create this feature. For that, go to the sketch again, select this front plane, say OK. Now take a circle, just create a circle. The circle diameter is 40, say yes, and the circle center is 30 mm from the bottom, height is 30 mm from bottom, and this side the distance is 30 plus 20, that is 60. Here it is 20, it is 30. So 30 plus 20 which is 60. Just finish the sketch. First dimension we check it. Just edit it. Total length is 150 only. $30 plus 20 which is 50. Just edit it. This one is 50. 50. Now it is okay. Now it is okay. Now go to the line. From this point to create a line, press the roller to confirm. Again from here to a tangent line, press the roller to confirm. Again from here to one vertical line, press the roller to confirm. This would be a vertical line. This is a tangent to the line. This also be a vertical line. Now go to the trim. Trim these two lines. Just close it. Now take a line again. From this point. Somewhere here. Connect it. This one you make it a vertical line. Then take a line again. Just close this line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. The sketch is fully defined. Then go for the trim. Just trim this inside one. Just finish the sketch. Extrude. Select this curve. Symmetric value. The thickness of the extrusion is 10 mm. Save OK. Now we need to extrude this cylinder. For that, go to the sketch again. Again take the front plane, say OK. Take a circle, center point, and this point. You have created the circle. Then take a line again from here to here, vertical line. Press the roller to confirm. Again from the edge to a vertical line. Just close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. This is a vertical one and this also be vertical. Now go for the trim again. Just trim this one. Just close it. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. The total length of the extrusion is 40. Make it symmetric value, which is 40. Here we make it unite. Save OK. Now we have created this feature. Then we need to extrude this feature little more. The total length is, here you can see, which is 60. Again go to here. Choose the front plane. Say OK. Take the circle. This is the center point. Circle. Press the roller to confirm. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Symmetric value. Total length is 60. Say OK. Now we have created this feature. And here there is a radius with a round of 5. A round with a radius of 5. Take the edge blend. Choose this edge. The radius is 5 mm. Just apply it. Similarly here we have a round with a radius of 10 mm. Choose this edge. Similarly this edge as well as this edge. The radius is 10 mm. Just say OK. Then we'll create one cut here. For that, choose the sketch. Select the surface. Say OK. Just go for the rectangle. Just create one rectangle here. From here to here, the distance is 5 mm. Control Z, Control Z. Just delete this rectangle. Take a rectangle. Just create a rectangle. From here to this distance is width is 10 mm. Then it will be a 10 mm. From here to here, which is 10 mm again. From here to here also be, this distance is 20. Then this width is also be 10 mm. Now the sketch is finished. Then go for finish sketch, extrude, change the direction. Here we make it until next. Here we make it inferred. Then automatically it will take subtract. Save OK. Delete. Just go for the extrude. Change the direction. Not the intersect, actually inferred. Then it will only do the subtraction. Just save OK. Now we have created this cut. The same cut has to be mirrored this side also. For that, there is a feature called mirror feature. Choose the extrude 90. Then choose the mid plane. The feature will be generated here. Save OK. Now we have mirrored it. Finally, we just want to make 2 holes. Take this hole. Move your cursor to the edge of the cylinder. The diameter of the hole is 20. Normal to the face. Until next. Subtract. Just apply it. Then again you just go here. Move your cursor to the edge of the circle. The diameter of the hole is 15. Normal to the face. Until next. Subtract. Save OK. Just right click here. Orient view. Isometric view. Now just rotate. So this is our component. Just have a look once. Is there any feature is missing? In this tutorial we have created all the feature of this component. We have finished this component. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Next tutorial will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.